Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Taking the advantage of this situation, as rightly shared by Mr. Sharma, that I am the last speaker of the session, can of course take a 2 minutes extra, as neither I am the barrier to the lunch nor the dinner, but of course taking the time into the constraint. So on this fine day, I would like to start with who we are, where we are, what we do, and what is our European Business and Technology Center was given a birth way back in 2008 at Marseille, France, under the bilateral cooperation between the government of India, headed by Dr. Manmohan Singh as a Prime Minister, and Dr. Sarkozy as a European Union President, who was also the President of the France that time, to boost the trade and commerce between the EU and the India. 2009, the office has been opened in New Delhi under the shareholdership of the European Euro Chambers, and it was co-funded by the European Union up to March 2016, and post-March 2016, it's a self-sustainable organization, not for profit, but mandates continues to boost and facilitate the trade and commerce between the 28 nations, of course, minus Brexit and India. That's our mission. EBTC is promoting the indigenous European technologies as well as innovation to suit the local needs in India environment. Previously, it was a one-way traffic. Now it's a two-way traffic. Vision, of course, to extend more powerful to make it more effective, the EU-India policy between. These are the key milestones from 2008 till 2017. As I said, during the EU-India Business Summit in 2008, Marseille, it has been formed. First office opened in 2019. Regional office opened in Mumbai, Bangalore, and Kolkata. House sector joined the Create Know-how Biotechnology with the mandate of our transport, climate change, renewable, and biotech. We have been started. Yes, in 2012, the IPR helped us launch to address IPR challenges that the EPO, European Patent Office, has been opened here. The European Technology Experience launch, dedicated space of European technologies in India. EBTC launches Clean Ganga Water Platform. Launch of EU-India Smart City Knowledge and Innovation Program, which is called SKIP. Yes, we are the technical cooperation partner of a lot of smart cities, ULBs, authorities, etc. And EBTC is the EU projects. I said that it was co-funded till 2016, but after that, it's given a afterlife and self-sustainable, but the mandate continues. 2016, we become the official development partner of Swachh Bharat mission, like we have the other partner, ADB, World Bank, United Nations, we are one of them. EBTC becomes the official partner with the Invest India. This is another accolades. Last week, we have signed an agreement, a partnership agreement with the Invest India. Invest India is the joint venture of DIPP and the Ministry of Commerce. Now we have signed an agreement to bring more FDIs, to strengthen more Indian economy, and to boost trade between, again, two nations, to EU and India. Now, these are the facilitating Indo-European cooperation we do, extending the bilateral relationship, I said, identifying opportunities of strength cooperation, including coordination in international fora, encourage EU-India business, including SMEs together, facilitate regular meetings of high-level dialogue between the federal governments, transformation of knowledge, finance, expertise in the area of renewables, climate change, and to create the favorable circumstances to invest more over here, and of course to share the best resources, practice, exchange between both the nations. These are the key programs and mandates, what we follow as on date. We are the implementation partner of the European Patent Office, lead consortium partner of the Enterprise European Network, technical cooperation partner of various ULBs and SPVs of the Smart City, like Pune Smart City, Lucknow Municipal Corporation, Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation, Naya Raipur Development Authority, and etc. Development partner of the Clean India Mission, MOUD, European Technology Experience, ETC. EBTC is the Indian Coordinate Office for the Dutch Sport Infrastructure as well, which is the PSI of the Government of Netherlands. And through us, there is the access and linkages to initiation of dialogue, setting up interaction session between G2G, G2B, B2B, and P2P in terms of technology, finance, resources, best practices, etc. We have a pool of private organization, the European organization as well as the Indian organization. We have the access to the financial institution, funding agencies, banks, few of the development banks of Europe like KfW, AFD, yes, you can approach through us as well. And then the Chamber of Commerce, it's already under the shareholdership of the Euro Chamber of Commerce, so there's a lot of Chamber of Commerce who are associated like Indo-French, Indo-Italian, Indo-German, etc. SMEs, trusts, foundations, yes, we have the kitty and the pool. This is exactly where we are positioned. This is the snapshot from the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban website. You can see as a development partner, ADB, USAID, WHO, UNICEF, GIZ, United Nations, Bill and Melinda Gates, World Bank, and now EBTC. There we are, one of the selective development partner for the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban, as we advise to them. As being the urban development partner, we're really bringing a lot of inputs to the mission, following the mandates. There are a lot of crucial discussion has been initiated between the bilateral governments to channelize few funds. Rounds of meeting has been happened. There are few technologies which we are working to, and we also promote to invest, participate, sponsor, showcase funds into the flagship programs, not limited to the Swachh Bharat, but of course to the smart cities and other as well. These are the, as we all know, these are the key mission components. Realizing the need of the hour. Out of this, just given one of the landfill management, we understand really our attention needs to be given. As India can import the technology for the Rafale, why not for the landfill? Of course, in collaboration with the Indian entities, as per the Indian requirements, so that the solution, as rightly said by my co-panelists, that the Norway, Sweden, they have the zero waste management solutions, and a lot of delegation is moving backward forward to this nation. A lot of visit has happened from the government of India side as well to these countries. So really, this is the need of the hour, this is the question mark, and yes, if the cities, if the ULBs are looking forward to solution, we are the connector, we are like a matrimony, can match and facilitate the solution based on the requirement, based on the Indian conditions. Technologies are available, funding patterns are available, and many models can be worked out. And we are a purely not-for-profit organization. As rightly shared with you, the technical cooperation partner, ULB in smart cities, this is what we are doing. We are bringing a lot of inputs to really make the mission flagship program successful, not restricted to the solid waste management, but of course with the ICT, IT part and all, there are a few technologies developed where you can really monitor each and every drop of water. That's called detection system. What's happening, what we understand from the authorities over here, when it's the leakage, then only we are able to know. But there are few things, and already under implementation, where you can come to know before leakage of any water, oil, gas. So these kind of technologies are available, and you can measure the flow of it, dent, corrosion inside the pipelines with the help of the hardware and the software. This is the platform, SKIP, which we call it as a knowledge platform for the smart cities, where we promote the cluster-based model. We don't promote companies. This is the beauty. We promote technologies. We promote the solutions. We promote the research case studies of the academic institutions. So a cluster model has been made where a group of companies, they come with the best cases. We put it on the website, and it's more on the demand driven. Okay, let's say if sir is needing some technology, Hyderabad is looking forward to, there's some problem, they're looking forward to the solution. On the basis of the problem identified, we channelize and facilitate the appropriate solution, case studies, and initiate and the dialogue between the authorities. It is what. So before I put my words to the silence, now instead of the going to any one nation, you have a platform where we can link it to the best solutions based on the problems in the sector of the solid waste management, of course, as being the official development partner of the Swachh Bharat. For the smart cities, as I understand, there are a lot of CEOs of the smart cities over here, a lot of commissioners over here, a lot of decision makers, authorities, private companies. So we can definitely come, bring the inputs, and create a favorable circumstances, of course, as based on your requirement to this. My special thanks to a well-experienced dynamic officer, Dr. Reddy, Commissioner Hyderabad, and his team. My special thanks to Dr. Ravi Gupta, Elets team, for giving us opportunity and to share, exchange views and ideas with all of you. Thank you.